Hello, today I'm going to show you how you can create pagination very fast. So first of all, I already created one table. I show you table. I create one name table 1, and on that table I already store A to Z. Now first of all, you have to do database connectivity. Now pass here select query. Okay, now I am going to run this. Okay, you can see I get here A to Z. Now we have to do paging over here. So for that, we have to copy this folder on our example folder. In last, I will show you where you can download this example. Now only I have to pass over here. Only copy this CSS file and paste in this head. Now copy this on before your query. So I pass over here. Now we already we have to pass our query over here. Select star from table 1, but you do not need to write here select star from. You have to pass only your query table 1 order by name and ASC ascending order. Now we have to pass now we can see you already pass our query in this $statement variable. Now you have to pass only here our statement variable, and in last where you want to display 1 2 3 4 5 page number, you have to pass this. So I want to display over here, so I pass this. Now you can see here I am getting here paging. So this way we can do paging, and this whole example I attach. You can see path of this example in my description, my video description. You can see the path of this example, so you can copy and paste from there. Thank you.